Hi, I'm Stefan, the BMW DIY Guy, and I want to show you how you can install the Dahler exhaust control module into your BMW. All right, guys, let's talk about this project a little bit before we do it and why this is something you would want to do to your BMW. Now, there's two different versions of this module. There's the single exhaust flap or the double or dual exhaust flap. We're going to be installing the double today, but it's going to be the exact same process if you have a single. So make sure you check out and get the right product for your car. But BMW only gives you limited control of your exhaust valve flap. So if you're in comfort or efficient mode, it'll usually be closed. If you go into sport mode, in theory it opens. But especially in some of the G80s, if you look, it actually doesn't even open all the way. It only opens when you hit the accelerator pedal, does it blip open for a moment, then closes. So you're not actually getting full control of your exhaust valve flap. What's really cool about this module is it's very easy plug and play. It won't void your warranty in any way. It's a really easy install and something you can take out later if you want to or if you change cars. This module is good for the dual exhaust F series and dual exhaust G series. So it works all the way across. Gives you a bunch of cool additional functionalities like memory settings on your exhaust flap, gives you a remote control, which is really cool. You can even program it into your mirror. Make sure to check out that video as well of how to program.